Hello everyone, this is Vandita. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm very excited to tell you about this baby frog. This is very cute. Okay, this is only top which is opening from the center. Okay, this is for 1 year old baby. I'm making this frog for baby girl. So this opening from the in the back side like this, and if you are making baby boy sweater, then this opening will in the front. Okay, so today in this video we will make only this blouse or top part of this frock. Okay, in the next part I will make the frock like this. Okay, so let's begin. First I want to tell you the measurement of this frock also. See, we have 6.5 inches neck, and the length is in the corner, that now you can tell the armhole is 3.5. Now there should not be any confusion here. See, 11.5. Okay, let me tell you one more thing, that I'm using this baby wool specially. So please, if you are making a baby sweater, baby frock, so please use only baby wool. Don't use any wool for the babies. Okay, just telling you the sample. So I'm taking this use this normal 4-ply wool just for the video. Okay. Okay, so we have 5 parts of the blouse or top. One half part, one, two, three. We have full parts, and two we have half parts like this. Okay. Okay. We will start to make a slip knot. Or you can start like this also. Okay, for this we are starting from the neck, so we will make 69 chains for the 6 to 1 year old baby. But if you want to make 0 to 6 months old baby, then you should make 61 chains, and I'm making 69 chains for the 6 to 1 year old baby. Okay, so make 69 chains. Okay, I have made 69 chains. Okay, so skip very first chain, and from the second chain start to make double crochets. And make 8 double crochets. Continue. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, 8 double crochets. Now make 1 double crochet in the next chain. This is for corner. 2 chains and 1 more double crochet in the same chain. Now we have 1 corner with 8 double crochets. Okay, now this is our half part. Now we will make a full part of 16 double crochets. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 16 double crochets. Don't count these corners double crochets. Okay, after this corner count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 16. After 16 double crochet, now make corner. In the next chain make 1 double crochet, 2 chains and 1 more double crochet in the same chain. This is our second corner, like this. Okay, make 16 double crochets again. Okay, 16 double crochets. After 16 double crochets, in the next chain make 1 double crochet, 2 chains and 1 more double crochet in the same chain, like this. After this make 16 double crochets again. Okay, so after 16 double crochets, in the next chain make 1 double crochet, 2 chains and 1 more double crochet in the same chain. This is our last corner. So now we have left 8 chains and we'll make like this, 8 double crochets, 8 double crochets. See, like this, chain 1 and turn over. So we have 8 double crochets, 1 corner, 16 double crochets, 1 corner, 16 double crochets, 1 corner, 16 double crochets, 1 corner and 8 double crochets. Please don't get confused. We have 1, 2, 3 and 4 corners and 4 parts, 2 half parts, 3 parts in middle. Okay, let's begin the second round. Make 8 double crochets, continue. Okay, I have made 8 double crochets. Now in every round we will increase 1 chain, 1 double crochet. So make 9th double crochet in the next chain on the corner, 9. Now in the corner make 1 double crochet in this space, chain 2, 1 more double crochet in the same space. So we increased 1 double crochet here. So in the second round we have 9 double crochets with corner. Okay, in every round we will increase 1 double crochet in every part. This is a half part, so we have increased 1 double crochet in the middle. This is the full part. We will increase here 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet here and 1 double crochet in the end of this part, like this. So they will be 18 double crochets total. We had 16 double crochet. Now in the second round we will have 18 double crochets total with corner. Corner, after corner, this is the corner double crochet, so make 1, increase 1 double crochet on, make double crochet on this double crochet like this and make 16 double crochets and 17 double crochet, and this is the 18th double crochet. So they will be 18 double crochets total. Okay, so I have increased 2 double crochets in this part, one here and one here. Okay, so I have 18 double crochets after corner. Now make corner, one double crochet in this space, two chains, and one more double crochet in the same space, like this. So we will repeat the same method to increase the double crochets and make these parts. Make 18 double crochets here, corner, one double crochet, two chains and one double crochet. Then again increase 2 double crochets in this part also, 18 double crochets, corner, one double crochet, two chains and one double crochet, and in the last make 9 double crochets to complete this round. 18 double crochets. After 18 double crochets, make one double crochet in the corner, two chains, one more double crochet in the same space, like this. Again make 18 double crochets. After 18 double crochets, make one double crochet in the next, in this space, two chains, one more double crochet in the same chain. Now we have left 9 double crochets, so make them. Okay, here my second round is also completed. Now we will repeat the exact round to complete this top, this blouse. Okay, the main and the one thing only, we have increased in every part and in every round we will increase the double crochets. Like we had 8 double crochets in first round, now we have 9 double crochets in second round. In third round we will have 10 double crochets here, 20, and in the next 11 and 22. Like this we will complete our this top, and this will look like this. Okay, I have made 8 rounds for this, and I have 15 double crochets in the half part, 15 double crochets, one corner, and after corner I have 30 double crochet in first part, 30, 30, 30 and 15 in 8th round, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So in 8th round we have 15 double crochets. So I'll make one more round to complete this top. So total, there should be total 9 rounds. Okay, in this round I should have 16 double crochets. See, 16 double crochets. After this 16 double crochets. After this make corner, one double crochet in the corner, two chains, one more double crochet in the same space, like this. Now make 32 chains, continue, and then corner, and again 32 chains and corner, and 32 chains and corner, and 16 double crochets. So I have completed my top. I made 9 rounds, and if you are making 9 rounds, so in 9th round we should have 16 double crochets, 32. Okay, So here my first part is also completed. Now in the next part we will join the sleeves here, and we'll start frock like this. And I will add the second color from here. I will add pink color, so this will be two colors frock. This will look beautiful, so can't wait, and I'm very excited to make this frock. So I hope you like this video, so please don't forget to give a like my video and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you, keep watching. Okay, see you in the next part.